and welcome to an episode of Historically Marked. I am Jason and I am in Seneca Falls, New York, which partly served as the inspiration for Bedford Falls, New York, and the classic film, one of the best of all time, It's a Wonderful Life. And behind me is It's a Wonderful Life Museum, and it's in an old bank building, and I'll explain more about that. But this is actually the temporary building for the museum. It's kind of spread out in such a way. Now the old building is actually under construction, like there's doing a lot of remodeling and all that. At least that's what the lady told me. But I'll go ahead and show you around. And like I said, this is the temporary museum. It is June 13th, 2023. And they do take at least $5 in donations, but they do have some good stuff in there. I mean, not very much actual memorabilia from the movie, or anything from the stars, but there are some cool things like reproductions and stuff that represents 1940s Hollywood. And there's also like some award show programs and autographed material from Jimmy Stewart or James Stewart and the gang. And down that way is a souvenir shop where you can buy It's a Wonderful Life souvenirs. Even though Bedford Falls was based on Seneca Falls, It's a Wonderful Life was filmed in California, like other movies of its time, mostly because equipment was large and actors worked on more than one film at the same time. It was in the middle of the heat wave. Many scenes were filmed at 2 a.m. when it was cooler and they could better control the shadows in the snow. The original Oscar program from 1946. Jimmy Stewart's bow tie and cufflinks. And don't forget to sign the guest book.